guys, welcome to CheapFood4Lazy. Today I'm going to be making brownies, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel. So we need to preheat the oven 180 degrees Celsius on fan baking. Okay, so firstly we're going to need 250 grams of butter and I'm just going to melt it. Okay, the second step is adding a bar of chocolate. So I'm just going to break it up into pieces and mix it in with the butter until it all melts together. Okay, so now the butter and chocolate are mixed together and melted. I'm going to add 85 grams of cocoa powder. Okay, so I just took the mixture off the heat because I'm going to mix the rest of the ingredients in with this so we don't have to waste an extra bowl and wash it. I'm going to add 110 grams of self-raising flour first. Uh, 300 grams of normal sugar. And lastly, 4 eggs. Okay, now I'm just going to mix it all together and pour it into the tray. Now I'm going to pour all the mixture into the baking tray and this is just going to go straight in the oven that we have preheated. Okay, so now the brownie tray is in the oven and you want to leave it there for 15 to 20 minutes depending on how gooey you like your brownies. Hey guys, so the brownies are now done. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you.